For the first time, Japanese robotics scientist Masahiro Mori spoke about the sinister valley effect. In 1970, he wrote the essay Kimi no Tani, and 8 years later, the title of his work was translated into English as Uncanny Valley. Mori sought to understand how the level of realism affects sympathy for robots and why a certain degree of similarity to humans make people uncomfortable. In his article, Mori described a curious observation. The more a robot or animation resembles a human, the more sympathy and empathy they evoke. But when the appearance becomes almost identical to that of human, people's emotions abruptly change to the opposite. Anxiety, discomfort, and even disgust appear. This state, according to Mori, was called the Uncanny Valley because a person falls into the valley of dislike for objects that are too realistic but still not completely plausible. Since the year 2018, the effect has been confirmed more and more often. For example, a publication from the University of Helsinki indicated that the phenomenon has become more stable. So far, no robot has been able to cross this valley. In addition, the sinister valley effect can cause frozen face. If an android looks very realistic down to the moles and bits of sweat on his forehead, but at the same time he closes his eyes and does not move, our psyche may decide that we are looking at a corpse. Articulation of speech. When the robot does not pronounce words with its mouth, it seems that they come from somewhere outside. Jerky movements, unrealistic emotions, unnatural mechanical speech. German scientists have found a brain region that is responsible for the sinister valley effect. It is located in the prefrontal cortex, the area thought which a person can reflect it. One part of the cortex tries to separate people from non-people, and the other, based on this, evaluates whether these subjects are pleasant to the brain. This means that if one day scientists create a robot that the brain cannot distinguish from a human, the sinister valley effect will not arise. Understanding and accepting the sinister valley allows us not only to create friendly and more pleasant images, but also to advance research in psychology, anthropology, and technology, shaping a future in which robots and artificial beings can become part of our everyday world. Like and subscribe.